renovation on the basement. So this is the living room area. We're going to close the wall off and put tiles on the floor. But today is just going to be like installation and framing. So this is the first time of me ever trying to attempt like actually closing a wall off like this. I added like the wall to the right, but I never actually like added installation and had to like move the power and stuff. So this is the first attempt for me, and this is a learning process for everyone. So I'm just using the regular insulation, like the purple boards from Home Depot, and just gluing them to the wall with insulation glue. If there's one thing I regret is like leaving all of this like crap out while I'm trying to renovate the basement because it just became like just getting in the way. That's one thing I wish I would have done. Just clean up everything. I can say cutting insulation is way more fun and easier than cutting drywall. This is from experience. Right here, I'm adding the tape for the insulation. I don't know these terms. I'm gonna say words. I don't know the terms for them. It's whatever the specific tape for the insulation to keep the moisture behind the insulation. Okay, I'm using terms I heard from YouTube one time. All right. So right here, I'm cutting all the wood for the tube. Oh my God, it's here. I'm cutting all the 2x4s for the frame, and I'm trying to like measure out each part of the wall, like of the like ceiling to floor, because it's a basement, so it's naturally like uneven. I feel that if that makes sense. I don't know. So I'm just trying to make sure that they all have like maybe different heights, or they're all gonna be, aligning properly. So that's what I was doing. Now I'm drilling the holes for the wire to get fed through, but instead of using like the wire that I should have used, I try to use the existing, like, what is it, the conduit pole, for like just so I could save some kind of money and use the existing wire. And I wish I didn't do that. It was such a pain in the butt trying to get the poles through there and like get them lined up properly and drill the holes in the boxes, because I used plastic like power junction boxes, and it was not smart. I wish I would just spent the extra like $100 and got all new wire. It would have just saved me so much time. So much time. So I didn't feel like drilling holes into the concrete. That's too much. It's too much work and time. So I bought this like little neat hammer tool. So you put like a it's weird. You put like a bullet in there, then you get these special like nails to like hold into the form of the inside of the. I wish I would have showed you. I'm bad at describing stuff. But the bullet pretty much shoots the nail down into the ground when you hit the top of it. So it's like a gunshot. So it's super loud, super loud. But yeah, it's like a gunshot every time you want to hit down the top of it with the hammer, and it shoots the nail into the concrete. It's simple, easy, and it's fast. This is actually my second piece of drywall that I used to try to cut the hole around the outlet. Once again, this is what I was talking about. Drywall is way worse. Insulation is so nice to cut compared to drywall. It's so hard to work with. And I measured once. I always measure twice, cut once. I'm learning so much from this project. This is me figuring out once again. I measured the drywall about 2 inches off from the wall, from the ceiling. And this is me like trying to figure out what the hell we're gonna do and stop wasting drywall. So I use the other piece. If you notice, the other piece is lower. I use that piece for that side, and I switched over another piece for that side. So there's two different. Instead of going straight across, it's like up, down, up, down. I had to figure it out. I was so tired of buying drywall. And right here, I am cutting the shape for the window. So I wish I would have scored it a little bit more, because I break the other end and it kind of snaps. It's fine. It's a learning process of life, right? The walls look so. Having the walls up just makes the basement this feels like a whole nother room already, and I just can't wait to finish the rest of the basement. It's just gonna feel like an apartment, probably a whole nother different part of the house. But thank you guys for watching. I am going to do a part 2 after this, so go to my page and subscribe if you want to see that. But we're getting close to being done.